back to my channel. So I know I haven't been on YouTube for like a long time already, but I'm back because I decided that I wanted to film a YouTube video because I haven't posted one on my phone in like a super long time. By the way, my nails are off, and don't mind my black nails because I dyed my hair, and the hair dye peeked through one of my nails, so don't mind it. But today in this video, I am going to be filming my updated makeup tutorial, like updated everyday makeup routine. So yeah, enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to press the bell so you guys can see more videos of me. Right now I'm barefaced, so don't mind the process, okay? But yeah, let's get into the first thing I'm gonna go in with to moisturize my face is the Pond's like moisturizer face cream or whatever. And I'll go ahead and apply it with the brush. I just go in with like the end of a brush. Moisturize. We're gonna go in with primer. To be honest, I haven't really been, looking for new makeup products, so the ones you guys see are probably like products you guys already know of, so don't be surprised, girl, because I just haven't been into makeup like I've been doing my makeup and stuff. I haven't been into it super like in depth lately, so I haven't went out and bought anything. Like, be like, oh my god, let's see what's good, or whatever. So, I'm gonna go primer. For primer, the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. It's the blue one. I have a mini one that I actually go in with those. We're gonna be going in and doing my eyebrows. So I've been trying to get my hands on the Precisely Brow pencil, but I'm scared of buying it and I don't end up liking it. So I'm just gonna put Handy Dandy Anastasia pomade, the shade Granny. So that's what one of my eyebrows looks like. Now we're gonna do the other one, and I think we're gonna do the other one off camera, so I'll get back on here. So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to be concealing them. So meanwhile concealing them, I'm not gonna talk, I'm gonna shut the fuck up, and I'm gonna just put you guys on fast speed so you guys can just see how I do them, and then I'll show you guys my next step to my makeup routine. But before I put you guys on fast speed, let me close this. For concealer on my eyebrows, I go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear concealer in the shade 325. And for that, I also go in my eyebrows concealer with the Morphe brush. I'm not sure what number it is because I've had it for a long time. The numbers kind of went away, so they did go away actually. So yeah, but this is going with our foundation. I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me, but I've been using this e.l.f. Camo Hydrating CC Cream. I'm almost out of it, so but we're gonna use it because this one's my favorite. I know it's a CC cream, but it's full coverage, so I'll be using is my Anastasia A30 brush, and I'm thinking it's a foundation brush, but if it's not, I use it for one. I use it for foundation. So now brush, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's just in a darker shade. I don't put on a lot because it goes a long way, and I only put it on my cheekbones. I use the one that I use for my eyebrows, the L'Oreal Infallible, and I also go in with the Fit Me concealer because this one's a little darker than this one's a little lighter. So go ahead and apply this one in my inner corner right here to brighten up my eye. And then I also bring it down my nose, on my chin, and on my upper lip, and my forehead. And the darker one, I go ahead and apply that one on the outer corner of my eyes, so you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out my beauty blender. So now I went ahead and blended out my concealer, and to set it in place, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild primer slash finishing powder, and I'm going to be dabbing it in with a powder puff. Let me go ahead and grab one. I have these little cute heart ones. Just put on it, and then we're gonna go straight ahead and dab it in, especially on my under eye, because your girl needs it. we're going to be going in with some setting powder. I know it has glitter, but it's the Wet n Wild one. I've been using this one for a while now, and I can say that I like it. We're also going to be using the powder puff. We use this one. I will admit it's a little like my actual shade. We're gonna go ahead and set my face, and then we're gonna do a bronzer or contour bronzer. Finish setting spray, and I also have the Wet n Wild, but one's new packaging or whatever, but this one, I use this one. And with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. So now we're gonna be going in with blush. I went with this Ioni blush that I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all, let me tell you, this is the best $1 I've ever fucking spent my whole life. Like, this blush is bomb.com. It's like this perfect pinky shade, and mascara. For mascara, we're gonna be doing, I'm using this It Cosmetics mascara, which is not too late, and then we're just putting something on, so we have something on for mascara. To be honest, I don't even know if I want to put on lashes. I'm going to be trying these on and see if they look good. If they don't, I'll take them off. Now that I put on my eyelashes, I decided to switch some of those other ones were a little ugly for my eye shape. So we put these on. These are super cute, super cutesy. Now I usually do under bottom lash mascara, but I don't want it to bleed onto my face makeup, so we're not going to be doing that today. I go ahead and use the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Blushing. Lipstick, I use a Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. By the way, I do overline my lips. So that is my nude lipstick done. And now we're going to be moving on to straightening my hair. Now to straighten my hair, I'm going to be going in with my Chi or Tai, I don't know how you pronounce it, Chi straightener that my baby daddy bought me. Because I've been wanting one of these straighteners for a long time because they're salon approved, girl. And they're like $200, but you need to get your hands on one ASAP. Because because it makes my hair super bomb. And it has like a lot of temperature settings. Because I needed an up to for my last one. Like this. I don't know, this looks funny. But yeah. And I also got the Barbie brush set from the same brand as the straightener. So if you guys don't know, I love Barbie stuff and pink stuff. Never mind, I do have some heat protectant. For the heat protectant, I use a Tresemme heat protectant. I was gonna buy the same heat protectant as the brand of the straightener, but I've never tried it out. So I was kind of scared because it was like 30 bucks. So this is my official makeup look with my hair straightened. I absolutely love it. So this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to follow my social media, Instagram at official.catherine40. And if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, make sure you guys tune in for more. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.